I am Pratiksha. I am Sonia. Hello friends. We are explaining here concept of full binary tree in simple way and also explain tree terminology. First of all, let's see what is tree. All of us mind tree is what we see in the nature. But in data structure, simple definition of tree is a non-linear data structure which organizes data in hierarchical manner. Let we see here tree terminology. First is root. In a data structure, first node of tree is called as root node. Every tree must have root node. In this diagram A is the first, so root node is A. Second is edge of node. In a tree data structure, the connecting link between any two nodes is called as edge. In this diagram A, C is the edge. There are 9 edges in the given diagram. Third is parent. In a tree data structure, the node which is a predecessor of any node is called as parent of node. Another simple way parent is which has child or children. Diagram contain A, B, C, E, G are the parent node of tree. Fourth is child node. In a simple word, node which has a link from its parent node is called as child node. Also, child is descendant of any node. In this example, B and C are the children of A. G and H are the children of C. Fifth is siblings. Node with the same parent node are called sibling node. The children of a parent are called sibling. Here B and C are sibling. D, E, F are sibling. G and H are sibling. I and J are sibling. Sixth is leaf. A node which does not have child node is called leaf node. A node without any successors is called a leaf node. Here D, I, J, F, K, H are the leaf node. Seventh is internal node. In a data structure, a node which has at least one child is called as internal node. Every non-leaf node is called as internal node. A, B, C, E, G are the internal nodes. Eight is degree of node. In a data structure, the total number of children of the node is called as degree of node. Here degree of A is 2. Degree of B is 3. Degree of F is 0. 9 is level. In a data structure, a root node is said to be level 0 and children of root node at level 1 and so on. Level start with 0. In given diagram we gives numbering of level. There are 3 levels in this diagram. 10th is height of tree. In a tree data structure, total number of edges from a leaf node to a particular node in a longest path is called height of the node. Height is start from 0 index from. Here height of the tree is 3. Length is depth. Total number of edges from a root node to a particular node is called depth of node. Depth start from 0 index. In diagram, depth of node is 3. 12th is path. Sequence of node from one node to another node is called path between the node. Here A to J path is A to B, B to E, A to J, and C to K path is C to G, and G to K. 13th is subtree. In a tree data structure, each child from a node forms a subtree respectively. In this diagram, subtree is in highlighted portions. It is the example which show all terminology of tree, such as root, subtree, edges, parent node, child node, sibling, leaf node. There are different types of binary tree, such as full binary tree, complete binary tree, perfect binary tree. We see here full binary tree. Definition is: a full binary tree is a special type of binary tree in which every parent node or internal has 0 or 2 children. It is also called as proper binary tree. Full binary tree has height 2 raised to power h minus 1 node, where h is the height of the tree. Numbering systems of the node in a full binary tree. Number the node throughout 2 raised to power h minus 1. Number by from top to bottom, within a level number from left to right. Parent node I is the node I by 2, unless I is equal to 1. Node I is the root node, has no parent. Left child of node I is node 2i, unless 2i is greater than n, where n is the total number of node. If 2i is greater than n, then node I has no left child. Right child of node I is 2i plus 1, unless 2i plus 1 is greater than n, where n is the total number of node. If 2i plus 1 is greater than n, then I has no right child. Let's see how to check whether a binary tree is full binary tree or not. In a full binary tree, all nodes have either 0 or 2 children. Let us do have a algorithm. If left node and right node is null, then it is a leaf node. If left and right both are null, then it means that only child of node is present remains false, as binary tree is not a full binary tree. Else push the left and right childs of node on the queue. Thank you all of you for seeing my animated video.